In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity on Gmail. If you've seen a warning about suspicious sign-ins, don't panic. We'll quickly confirm which devices are using your account, review security alerts, and turn on extra protection so it doesn't happen again. Start by checking where your Google account is signed in. Open your Google account settings. Go to the Security tab and find your devices. This page lists phones, tablets, and computers that recently accessed your account with approximate locations. Look closely. Some entries may show slightly different locations because of your internet provider or a VPN, but the device names and last used dates should still make sense. If anything looks unfamiliar, a device you don't own, a place you haven't been, or activity at a time you weren't online, select that device and choose Sign Out. This immediately removes your account from that device and stops it from syncing email or other Google data. Continue until only devices you recognize remain. Next, review your security alerts inside Gmail. Open Gmail and look for the Security Alerts section or banner highlighting recent sign-in activity. These alerts summarize attempts to access your account from new devices, browsers, or locations. Open each alert to see the details, and if you didn't make that sign-in tap, not me. Google will guide you through securing your account, which can include verifying your identity and blocking that suspicious attempt. If an alert is for you, for example, you just logged in on a new computer, mark it as you to clear the warning. Finally, turn on protection to prevent future issues. In your Google Account Security tab, enable two-step verification. This adds a second check, like a prompt on your phone or a code, after your password, so even if someone guesses the password, they can't get in. Follow the on-screen steps to set it up and choose the method you prefer, then add a recovery phone number and a recovery email to your account so Google can reach you with critical alerts and help you get back in if you ever lose access. Make sure they're current and keep your phone close when signing in so those prompts are easy to approve. That's it. By signing out unknown devices, flagging any suspicious alerts as not me, and enabling two-step verification with recovery options, you'll lock down your Gmail and stop unusual activity in its tracks.